Hello everyone. In this video, we'll build this half-sticky, half-scrolling section in Wix Studio. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so let's head over to Wix Studio and start building this section together. First, we need to create a new site and select a blank canvas. This will allow us to build the section from scratch. The canvas comes with a pre-built header and footer. First, we need to delete these, as we'll only be working with the section. Next, we'll split the section into two cells. Then go to the inspector and change the background color for both cells to match your design. I'll use black to keep it more simple. In the right cell, let's add a paragraph from the Quick Add menu. Just drag and drop it into the cell. Change the text color to white so it stands out against the black background. Then add your own personal text. You'll need a longer text, so you can use ChatGPT to generate some content if needed. We need to set the width to 400 pixels and align it to the center. Now it's time to customize the text to enhance the final design. Let's add some spacing here and there to improve the layout. And don't forget to subscribe. Your support means a lot. After adjusting the spacing, we need to change the font. I'm using Din News Site Grotesque. Increase the font size to 19 pixels and set the line spacing to auto. Let's see how it looks if we set it to bold. No, let's change it back to normal. We don't need to change the settings. Instead, we need to set the top margin to 300 pixels. First, switch the margin setting from percentages to pixels, and then set it to 300. Now let's review what we have so far. It looks pretty good, but I'd like a bit more room on top. So change the top margin from 300 pixels to 350 pixels and add a bottom margin of 200 pixels. That's better. Now let's start building the left side, the sticky side. Start by dropping in a header. Once again, change the text color to white and add your own text. Align the header to the center and also center the text. For this title, I'll use the Museo font. Set the top margin to 80 pixels. Now it gets interesting. Set the position to sticky. Make sure it's set to stick at the top and change the offset to 30 pixels. Once again, let's see what we have so far. The sticky position works and the scrolling part is functioning perfectly. Everything looks great. We're almost done. We just need to add our image and the design will be complete. So let's do it. I already have a picture of a very nice mechanical keyboard on my laptop. So let me just upload the image to Wix Studio. After the image is uploaded, we can add it to our design. Drag the image to the left side and adjust its size accordingly. Align the image to the center. Now add a top margin of 500 pixels, which will make the image slide up more. It's very important to set the image position to sticky as well. Make sure the position is set to top and add an offset of 140 pixels. And that's it. We've created a half-sticky, half-scrolling design together. Let's check out the final result on a test site. Very nice work. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this useful.